Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to start studying for the LSAT. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including its three main scored sections: logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, and reading comprehension. Next, take a full-length diagnostic test to understand your current standing and pinpoint areas needing the most attention. This initial assessment is crucial for tailoring your study plan effectively. Finally, establish a consistent study schedule, dedicating a manageable amount of time each week. Once you have a baseline, gather your study materials. Official LSAT prep tests are indispensable. They offer the most authentic practice experience. Supplement these with a high-quality LSAT prep book or an online course that provides structured lessons and strategies. Don't forget to create or acquire flashcards for key concepts, such as logical fallacies and common reasoning structures, to reinforce your understanding and recall. These resources form the backbone of effective preparation. Now, let's talk about effective study techniques. It's vital to review every single question you attempt, not just the ones you get wrong. Understand why the correct answer is correct and why the incorrect ones are flawed. Regularly practice timed sections to improve your pacing and build stamina for the actual exam. Additionally, keep an error log to meticulously track your mistakes, helping you identify and address persistent weaknesses. Finally, maintaining the right mindset is crucial for LSAT success. Prioritize self-care by ensuring you get enough sleep and maintain a healthy diet. These habits significantly impact your cognitive performance. Stay positive and persistent throughout your journey, understanding that consistent effort leads to gradual improvement. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a link to a great book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.